Good afternoon to all, my dear. Pa, listen, pa. My exercise 8.2, we are going to continue. Rashika, listen. After starting the class, you speaking. Very good. You should not talk. Keep quiet, I said. Ma, listen. Yeah. So, exercise 8.2. Exercise 8.2. That is what it is? Chapter sequence and series. Sequence and series. Second exercise we are going to continue. Already 6 sums. That means 6 Romans we have completed. 7th Roman we are entering. That means it's about sum of the terms. Till 6th Roman we have seen that it's about nth term. That means an equal to ar power n minus 1. Based on that we have seen, I'm right. Here 7th Roman to 10th Roman based on sum of the terms. SN formula we are going to use. How many SN formula I gave? Do you remember it? How many SN formula I gave? 2 3 I gave. One for r less than 0, one r greater than 0, one r equal to 1. 3 I gave totally. Understand? You understand all those things you have to remember. Then only we can enter here. Understand? Right. Shall we start, Raja? Right. We are going the first question. See here. Find the sum. We have to find the sum. Sum in the sense SN formula we have to use. Yashika, I told you, no. First listen. Don't do anything. Listen first. Look at the board. So find the sum. SN formula is what? Tell me. When r greater than 0, tell me the formula. Yashika, stand up. Tell me the formula. A into Rn minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Understand? Sit down. So Sn we have to find. Okay, right? Here indicated terms, number of terms they are given. Number of terms, it means here how many number of terms we have, it's mentioned. That means n equal to, they have mentioned, it seems, for each of the geometric progression we have to do. That means each is a geometric progression. It means no need to check whether it is the given sequence is a GP or not. It's a GP. They mentioned it's very clearly given is a GP. Then no need to check. Directly we can go for the finding the Sn. Understand? Right. Now I'm going for the finding Sn. Right. First, here this is my A1, A2, A3. It's going till, it's not a AN, it's a N. Number of term they are given. Then here in the given, A equal to A1, which is equal to, A1 is what they are given? 0.15. That is my A. And the common ratio, what is the formula? Harsha, can you tell me that? Common ratio. Very good. A2 divided by A1. That is term 2 and term 1 we have to divide. Okay, then only you will be getting what is the common ratio. Term 2 what it given? 0.015 divided by A1 value 0.15. So when you cancel, you will be getting, with the decimal, if you have a good idea, you can go, or else better you simplify that decimal value. So point after I have 1, 2, 3 digits, so I'm multiplying by 301 after. That means 1000. I'm both numerator divided over the denominator, I'm multiplying by 1000. Then what I'm getting, let me see, which is equal to, when I multiple 1000 with the 0.015, I'm getting just 15 divided by here 0.15 multiply 1000, since what I'm getting 150. So when I cancel this, 1 time, how many time? 10 time. This I can write as 1 by 10 or 0.1. Or 0.1. 0.1 is greater than greater than 1 or less than 1? Less than 1. So less than 1, what is the Sn formula? You just decide. A into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. That formula we have to use. Understand, children? Right. Now I'm going, here n is 20. N is 20, they are given that. So then Sn we have to find. Before going it, what is Sn formula you write? Sn equal to A into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. This is for if r value less than 1. If you not aware of that r less than 1 greater than 1, better use any one formula, not a problem. Later when you take a negative commonly outside both the numerator and denominator, you will be getting accurately what you need. That's not a problem. But if you know very well, you can go with this. That step which you are taking commonly outside, that step will be reduced here. Understand? Right. Now I'm entering n value. What I know, my dear? N value 20 and a value what I know? Here 0.15. Okay, open bracket. 1 minus of r value I know that 0.1 whole power n value 20. Okay, whole divided by again 1 minus r value 0.1. So how you will subtract 1 minus 0.1? Point after how many digit? 1 digit. Then where you subtracting, there you add a 1 0. That means 1 means 10. 10 minus 1, 9. After that, you just give a point. Okay. Ma, listen, ra, very simple, ra. 2 minus 0.1 in the sense, the meaning is what? Point after 1 digit is there. Then you want to consider here we have a 1 0. Here you just remove the point. Then I'm getting 9 10. Again, after 1 digit you give a point. Then you will getting the required. This is like that 3 minus 0.006 if we have. Point after how many digits we have? 3 digit. Am I right? Then here you want to add 30 minus what is this? 6. When you subtract, what I'm getting? 2994. After how many digits we have to give a point? 3 digit. Then you will be getting the required. This is easy way to subtract, to add some decimal values. Understand? Better way to go. So this is I'm using here. Right, fine. So what I'm getting here? The same 0.15 into 1 minus 0.1 whole power 20. Power you don't apply. Power, suppose 10 below, in the sense you just apply. 10 and above in the sense don't apply. That is better idea. Okay, in the JP. Understand? Right. In denominator, what I am getting after subtract, what I said? 0.9 after I subtract. Am I right, children? Now, in numerator, point after we have a 2 digit. Here we have a 1 digit. But highest only we have to consider. Highest is what? So I'm multiplying 100 in numerator, and in denominator I'm multiplying 100. Then the value does not change anything. Understand? Value does not change anything. We can continue as it is. Okay. Why we have to go? This is in decimal. This is also decimal. We can leave it as it is, no? But 15 and 9 will be cancelled. Am I right? So we have to cancel, no? That is what I'm changing these things. Right? Shall we? So what I'm getting here, when I multiple here, it will be coming 15 divided by here 90. Am I right? 90. And 1 minus 0.1 whole power 20. Cancel this, what I am getting? After I cancel? 1 15s are how many times? 6 15s are 90. Okay. Then my final answer, 1 divided by 6 into 1 minus 0.1 whole power 20. That's it. This is my required answer. Understand, children? Is it okay, Daraja? Is it okay? So like that you have to go. Power 20 you don't apply. If it is less than 10, power is less than 10, you should apply. Okay, ma? If it is more than 10 or 10 above in the sense, don't apply. That is simple idea to remember. Understand? Right. Here, if it is possible to cancel, we should cancel. No other go. Understand? That is what I am doing. And I am going next. The same thing. The same. What is the continuity? They said very clearly from 7 to 10. We have to we have to find same SN. What is the indicated number of terms that we have to find? Here 20 they said, so S20 I am finding. In the next question, they mentioned that n term, then Sn in general form we have to find Sn equal to what? Like that till 10 question we have to follow it. Understand? Shall we? Right. The same thing here. This is my A1, A2, A3. That means term 1, term 2, term 3. It's going till n terms. So here A equal to A1, that is term 1. Term 1 is what? Root 7. And the common ratio I have to find, common ratio A2 divided by A1. A2 value, we know that it is root 21, square root of 21. And A1 value root 7. Right, fine. Root 21 we can write that root 3 into root 7. Shall we write like that? We can write, am I right? Root because square root of a into b equal to square root of a and square root of b. When you multiple, you will be getting the previous. So 7 3s are 21, you will be getting the previous question. Do you understand? Right. Whole divided by root 7 I have. Then I can cancel with this. Root 7 one time, root 7 one time we are cancelling. Then what I have a remaining, which is equal to root 3. Root 3, square root of 3. We are going, right? This, okay, common ratio, I got it. N value is what? N only. In general only, we have to find the essential. We go, my dear. Right, R value what? Less than 1 or greater than 1? Very good. Because root 3 in the sense 1.732. So surely it is greater than 1. Then one more formula, what we have that we have to use. Then Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. This is if R value greater than 1, we should use this. You should be careful. Or the previous formula used. In the last step, if you take minus outside, you will be getting this as it is. No need to worry. Which I used for 7th one. The same formula you can use. When we subtract here, you will be getting negative number. Negative when you multiple inside the bracket, you will be getting the previous. I mean the 8th question formula you will be getting automatically. Understand? With one formula also you can move. Not a problem. Right, fine. Now I'm going n value, n only. A value what they said? Root 7. So square root of 7 into R value what they said? Root 3. Root 3 whole power n. Then this bracket I'm changing now. Minus 1 whole divided by root 3 minus 1. That's it. You can stop your answer here itself. But denominator we should not stop with irrational number. So we have to take conjugate. Means we have to do rationalize. Understand? So rationalize what you will do? Very good. Into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Okay. This is what I'm doing. To remove the root value in the denominator. We should not stop with the root value. That root in the sense, we should not stop with the irrational number in the denominator. That is what I'm doing. Shall we? What happened? Rain started. Okay, right, come. We'll focus on here. Listen, children. So root 7, let it be as it is. And here, root 3 whole power n minus 1 whole divided by. This is look like a minus b, a plus b. So that a square minus b square. That formula I'm going to use. So that root 3 square minus 1 square I'm doing. And numerator what I have? Root 3 plus 1. If you need that root 7 will multiple later inside. Based on that book back answer we will go. Now we can square and root we can cancel. Why? Why we can cancel? Root 3 whole power 2 in the sense. 3 power 1 by 2 whole power 2. These together is multiplication. Then 1 by 2 into 2 you will be getting. 2 is cancelled. Then 3 power 1. That is I am writing as 3 here. This much step we have inside. Understand? You understand the concept why we are cancelling square and a root. Understand? Is it okay, guys? Right here. Now, then after cancel that power and the root, I'm getting 3, 1 square value 1, 3 minus 1, 2 you will be getting. What I'm getting? 2 in denominator. Numerator, are they multiplied inside, children? You just see the book back. They stop it as it is. Then I will bring it in the new, what is that here? Root 7 into root 3 plus 1 into root 3 whole power n minus 1. Okay? Like this you can stop. Or else the root 2 you can write here itself. Like, just like this you can write. Into you can give commonly. Also you can go. Okay. See this term in the front or in the last, that's not a problem. Everything is same only. Understand, children? Is it okay? See, little more we can simplify this. Simplify in the sense it will be like an extension only. We can multiply root 21 plus root 7 like that it will be coming. But maximum max in the sense we have to simplify. We should not extend it. So root 7 already it is in commonly outside. Then you don't extend the answer. Understand? Stop here itself. Enough. And I'm going third, that is 9th one. Ninth one also n value they didn't give. Generally they stopped. But remaining things we have what it is. Term 1 they are given. Term 2, term 3, term 4 it's going till n terms. A value not equal to -1. Yeah, it's a +1 only, no, not a problem. Right. So here A equal to A1. A1 value what I know? 1 plus 1. Understand? And common ratio we have to find. What is common ratio? Term 2 divided by term 1. Term 2 is what? Minus A divided by term 1 value 1, which is equal to A. Here they said A not equal to -1 they are telling, because A can be +1. That is they are telling. Not equal to -1 in the sense. Don't think this A equal to here. Clear? A value 1 we know. So here 1 we can apply. Like that you don't plan. That A is different. This A is different. Understand? Don't get confused with this. Do you understand? This is different, that is different. Okay, that is formula A. And this is even question itself, there is a A. Okay? Don't apply anything here. So we don't know whether this is small or bigger compared to 1. Then first formula will go. Okay? Right. Sn equal to A into 1 minus R power n whole divided by what it is? 1 minus R. This formula I am going to use. Okay? This formula I am going to use. R is in negative. Maybe let it be. We'll use this. Okay? Shall we? Right. Yeah. Now, one more. A value what I know? 1 into 1 minus R value minus A whole power n whole divided by 1 minus of R value what I know? Minus A. Understand? Simplify this. So what I am getting 1 into anything same, the numerator you will be getting 1 minus of minus A. Don't apply the negative. When you apply the negative also, we don't know whether this will be negative A or positive A, because power is we don't know which is even or odd. So let it be as it is. About n they didn't say anything. Let it be as it is. Here you will be getting minus into minus plus. So this is our nth term. Sn equal to this is our required. I hope that's it. Check the book back. How they stopped. What they did. Tell me the book back answer. Can you tell me the book back answer? 1 minus. Same thing, Raja. Then let it be. That's it, Radha. Over. Okay? Sn equal to, which is required, we got it. Okay? Now we are going, what is that? The last S10. Sorry, 10th question. Not S10. Here also n is general format they are given. So we have to find it. Now this is my term 1, term 2, term 3. It's going till n terms. Here x not equal to plus or minus 1 they are given. Can be anything. Okay, can be anything. Let it be, we'll go here. Now what I'm going to do here, my first term, that is A value is what? X cube, x power 3. My x will be little, it's not look like a x, okay? X power 3, and common ratio I'm going to find. Common ratio A2 divided by A1. A2 value we have x power 5 whole divided by x power 3. So we have to subtract the power. Understand? We have to subtract the power. One time, how many time? Times not subtracted. 5 minus 3, I'm getting 2. So x power 2 is a remaining x power 2. Or else denominator you have to take to numerator. The power will be coming in the negative. Base common. In multiplication power we can add or sub based on the symbol we can go like that. Here x power 2 is the A value. Okay? Right. Fine. I'm going now. Sn. The same. If it is not clear which is R, we can go to the first formula. That means 1 minus R power n whole divided by 1 minus R. Understand? This I'm moving. So A value what I know, children? A value x cube. A value x cube. 1 minus R value x power 2. X power 2 whole power n whole divided by 1 minus x power 3. That's it. We can stop. X power 2 is R value. Okay, x power 2 is r. That's it. If possible, you can go, or else you just stop. X power 3 into 1 minus 2e and n. It's a multiple, so you can multiple x power 2n whole divided by 1 minus x power 2. That's it. You can stop your answer here. That's it, children. I hope you understood this. Kindly copy. Children, see if you like this video, kindly share with your friends. Thank you, children. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.